right, so you can see they've actually started taking the top part of the garage off, and they're continuing to work as they take that part of the garage off so they can start doing the foundation all this way. You'll see out here where they continue to haul the dirt in and keep building up the elevation out here. They're working along the back side over there where you see the backhoe, where they're bringing the sanitary line down that side of the building over that way. You'll see out in here where they're working doing some excavation, some old riprap and rubble that was in here from the old seawall and all that went in here, where they've been taking that out and they're continuing to do that and then backfill that so they can start doing the piles. If you look out to the left, you'll see the pile rigs. They're out there doing piles and getting piles out on that end and working on that end, and also over here on this side. You'll see down in here where they're doing more work, elevation work and all in here. You look out to the left over here, next week they'll be starting down the roadway, running the sanitary line down the roadway. So that's what they'll be doing out here, and then they'll continue their work as far as hauling more dirt in and building this up, and then continue with their pile work out here in the park in the area.
Wow.
All right, as you'll see inside, a lot has changed as they're inside. They're working, building the temporary wall. They've got the temporary wall built here. If you look up top here, you'll see where they built the temporary wall. They've got the studs in, got the Dens glass in, started putting insulation in and doing that. Right out here in the front, this is the front side of the temporary wall, so they've got to get all this up where they can start doing their work and doing demo on this side of the building over here. If you look back behind where the temporary wall is, you can see the temporary stairs. A lot of that has gone inside. They're working, putting this, tying in the second floor and getting that done. And if you come this way, you'll see in here where they're starting to finish out. This will be the wall. This is going to be the walkway in Exhibit Hall B, or the egress from out of Exhibit Hall B. So they're continuing to work in this area and get this in here. They'll be putting the doors in here. They'll be putting the doors over here back to the service hallway. And if you look back to the left over here, you can see where they've started. They've got the doors in going out to Bryan Square for the egress stairs. And also down this way, they've started putting these doors in and getting all that in. All this work here is hopefully be completed by the end of next week and getting that done.
Wow.
And that concludes our report for this week.
Thank you.